Welcome back to the TV tour part. I figured out how to get the wires out of these things. There's a little button here. You push it towards the right side or the left side, whatever side you're looking at it. Pull the wire out. I show you here on this one. So this is the last one I haven't done on this wire. So you push away from you. Fold up and over. Grab the wire, pull it out, snap it back on place. Same way with the rest of these 2 and 3. Pull that little dude right there. Push it backwards to open it. And just push it back in the hole. Make sure you get the wire out of there. Here's the last piece of the tape I did not do yet. And that's trash. That's the last one I've done. Got one more to do. Push that little button right there away from you and pull up at the same time. And that wire's out. And you just push it right back in until you hear it click. Either hear it or feel it. And maybe I do this one. You hear it click. Then you know you're good to go. It's getting dark where I can't hardly see what I'm doing. I'll mess with this more tomorrow. So that's all that. All the wires are loose from this frame. So now these dudes should pull the squeeze this in with it's back in place. These little dudes right here and this little dude here, squeeze it in to the wire and pull out. Pull it to you, and it comes right off. Goes the same way with these. Now, this one's right there, and it comes right up and over. This one's the same way. Just gotta wiggle it around. Here it comes off. If it wants to be with me. Now that's all. That's ready to go into that connection. And that's all aluminum. But I could be wrong. In my main. That's the main wire that runs through everything. I guess that's changed the color and everything in the screen. So this wire goes to this one the same way. Squeeze them in, wiggle, come off. That's all that wire together. Put that in my little scrap bucket, a metal can or metal steel. Now I got this off. That runs for both speakers for the front. Put the rest of that wire in there. Now this one, same way as I did this one here. Push that little level down and slide out. Now this is that part of the back speaker. Now that's out of my way. Take that off my side. This one I worry about small, cause I can't hardly see it. Well, I can, but I'm not gonna hurt myself doing it. This one you just push down that button, slide that one out. That's that wire. Put it down in my little bucket. Same way with this one, and this one. Put that wire in there too. This one here going to the bottom, leaving it, and this one going to this one, I'm leaving it. Alright, that's all I can do for now. Finish the rest of this tomorrow. And if y'all like what I've done so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll catch you on the next one.